So, you're confused on the differences between Specular and the glossy map. Not a problem. In the next 2 minutes, you will not only understand the differences, but also how to create your very own. Alright, let's do this. All you need to know about Specular maps is that lighter areas reflect more light. If I use this Specular map, you can see that the brighter areas on the map reflect light better than the dark areas. Gloss, on the other hand, determines how clear the reflection is. In real life, glossy objects are extremely helpful when you need to fix your hair in public before going on that date with Barbara. Just think of it this way. A quarter is really shiny, so its Specular map is probably really light. But you can't see your reflection in a quarter to save your goddamn life. So its glossy map is probably not gonna be perfectly white. A mirror, on the other hand, is both perfectly specular and perfectly glossy. Blender Guru's textures showed this very well. When it comes to shiny things like marble and metal, the gloss map is gonna be kinda light. But if you're doing things like rocks, then gloss is almost always the darkest map in the group. The specularity map, on the other hand, is usually a little lighter than the gloss, but almost always still darker than everything else. So, how do you make them? Well, in Gimp, duplicate the layer and hide the original. Go to colors, desaturate, and set mode to lightness HSL. Go to filters, generic, high pass filter, and set filter radius to 200 and preserve DC. Then go to colors, curves, click here and move it down a bit, and then click here and move it a bit over here. Okay? Boom, there's your specular. To make the gloss map, duplicate the specular and hide the original. Then go to colors, curves, click here and drag it a bit more down. And then click here and drag it a tiny bit up. Click OK, you're done. Congratulations, you now have a spectacular specular map and a glorious gloss map. Hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.